Hey guys, Coach D here. Hope you're all well. Hope your families are well. Really miss seeing you guys around the hallway. So I thought we'd share a little bit what we do here sometimes when we have a little more family time together. My wife and I and Olivia enjoy Italian food. So today we're gonna cook some pasta fagioli for you. And what that is, it's just pasta and beans. And it's a very simple dish, very few ingredients. Right now we have about a pound of pasta we're gonna put in. We have fresh garlic and roasted red peppers right there. And then we have a sauce that's been kind of going all day. And then of course we have the beans that have been soaking all night long and cooking, and they're ready to go. So I'll put the pasta in, it's about a pound. We cook it in chicken stock to add some flavor. And in about 8 or so minutes, we'll be ready to go and put everything together. Stay tuned. Like I said, we're doing the pasta fagioli. We got the pasta in the chicken stock right now. We're gonna drain it out. We got the garlic with the roasted hot peppers, and we're gonna add that. We're gonna add the beans, and we're gonna put this dish together. Now what we're gonna do is we're not gonna pour all the liquid out. We want to leave some of that liquid in there, so that starch that's come off the pasta will act as a little bit of a thickening agent. Good. And we're gonna do the same thing with the beans that we washed and soaked all night and then cooked in the slow cooker. We're gonna take all that liquid with the beans and add a couple scoops of beans. That should do it right there. I'm gonna bring this back to the stove for a couple final things. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the roasted garlic and the hot peppers, and do yourself a favor. If you use these peppers, do not eat them. They're just for flavor. When we pour it in, you should hear a sizzle. All that flavor coming in. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our ladle and our red sauce that we've been cooking throughout the day. And we are gonna add a couple ladlefuls of sauce. We're gonna stir it up. And then we're gonna pour it in. And this is pasta fagioli, pasta and beans. Take a little fresh parsley, some Romano, and you're set. From our house to yours, enjoy. We hope to yours. Enjoy. We hope to see you soon. We really miss you. See you later, Central.